applications. The software employs a layer-based timeline that allows editors to manipulate and reorder multiple video and audio clips as well as graphics and effects. Adobe Premiere Pro offers a variety of ways to import content into a project, including from tapes, camera cards, files, disk images, and directly from Adobe Capture CC. The software supports a wide range of video file formats from consumer camcorders like H.264, UHD, and MPEG-2 up to intermediate formats such as ProRes, DNxHD, and high-end cinema formats like Redcode RAW. Premiere Pro also offers advanced export options including multiple output profiles and ability to export in formats for web, broadcast TV, Blu-ray and more. The color correction and grading tools in Adobe Premiere Pro are very robust and intuitive. Editors can make adjustments to color, exposure, tint, temperature, saturation and more using intuitive color wheels and sliders. Premiere Pro also comes with Lumetri Color, an advanced panel offering one-click auto color, three-way color correction, curves, creative looks, and recording and synchronized color. Adjustments across multiple clips. In addition to effects and transitions, Adobe Premiere Pro also includes a variety of titles and graphics templates. Editors can import Adobe After Effects compositions and motion graphic templates directly into a Premiere Pro timeline. Adobe Animate and Illustrator files can also be imported seamlessly. Premiere Pro now also includes essential text editing tools allowing users to quickly add animated and stylish titles and lower thirds without having to switch to After Effects. The audio mixing tools in Adobe Premiere Pro allow editors to manipulate volume levels, add fades and crossfades, apply effects and filter audio clips for a professional mix. Editors can also visualize and adjust the audio using Adobe's intuitive audio mixer, complete with equalizers, compressors, expander/gates, delay and more. Premiere Pro also integrates tightly with Adobe Audition for in-depth audio editing and post-production. Adobe Premiere Pro seamlessly integrates with other Creative Cloud apps like Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, After Effects and Audition. This allows editors to leverage assets created in other applications and makes the editing workflow more collaborative. Premiere Pro also offers a dynamic link to After Effects, allowing editors to see and sync adjustments in both applications in real time. In summary, Adobe Premiere Pro delivers a powerful set of creative tools in an easy-to-learn nonlinear editing interface. While the software has a learning curve, its feature set, reliability and deep integration with the Adobe Creative Cloud ecosystem make it the video editor of choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. With regular updates and a commitment to innovation, Adobe Premiere Pro continues to maintain its dominance in the nonlinear video editing space. For serious video editors and content creators, it remains arguably the best option available today. Adobe Premiere Pro is a professional video editing software that is used by filmmakers, video editors, and content creators worldwide. The software offers a range of advanced tools and features that allow users to create high-quality videos with ease. One of the standout features of Adobe Premiere Pro is its user-friendly interface. The interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it easy for users to find the tools and features they need. The software also offers a range of customizable keyboard shortcuts, making it possible for users to work faster and more efficiently. Another key feature of Adobe Premiere Pro is its advanced editing capabilities.